Hi everyone, this is Ashwin Gorilla. I am going to present a website which I have designed for assessment of rapid web development IFN 557. So the name of my website is MyMart, where you can find the collection of smartwatches. So let's start executing the application. Before going to start, I wish to share the technologies that I have used to implement my shopping website. So when I open my Visual Studio Code, you can see this is a README file. So if you are interested to run the code in your local machine, just simply follow these instructions as I have clearly mentioned everything about the framework and tools which I have used to implement my website. So let's start executing my application. So let's navigate to the assessment folder. So let's start executing my code here. So you can see my code is running here. And when I run my file, the CLI supports running a live browser. So no need to run the code every time as it will automatically run the code if the changes was detected in your code. So when I click here, it will navigate to my home page. So as you can see, this is my home page. There is some stuff here about my page like branding, founder and everything. It's just a simple design like how my web page looks like. So when I go to brands here, I have two brands. As I said to you, like my store is completely full of smartwatches. So I have two brands here. One is Apple and the other is Samsung. So when I want to add some items to my cart, or if I want to view the products, so just I go on click here, view products. So you can see that there are two items in Apple. So if I want to add this item to the cart, just simply I'll click on add to cart. So you can see that my cart was updated here. There is an item. So if I want to add more items to my cart, I can go to view products and I can click on view products and I will add one more item to my cart. So you can see that my cart was updated and the total cost of these items were also updated here. So if I want to remove any item from my cart, I can simply remove by clicking on remove here. So you can see that the item was removed here and the price was also updated here. So if I want to clear my entire cart, I can click on clear a cart here. So it is saying that all the items was selected in the cart and my cart was cleared. So if I want to check out, I'll go to view products and I'll add some items to my cart and I will add one more item to the cart. So add to cart. You can see here there are two items in my cart, and if I wish to check out, it will navigate me to the checkout page. So this is my checkout page. So before submitting this form, I need to show you the database. So whatever the details I am entering in the form will be stored in database. So let's navigate to the database. So this is my database and this is my orders. So you can see that there are 152 records here. So let's start filling the form here. Earth, moon, something. So when I hit on place order, it will say the page like, hey, your order was placed. And let's go to my database and see whether the form has been updated or not. So this is my database and these are my orders. So you can see the record was added here. Earth, moon, life on earth, the time and the total cost of the items. So this is the functionality of my website. And I have also implemented a search bar here. Like if I want to view the products of Apple, just I'll type Apple here. And you can see that the categories of Apple was displayed here. And I also made my website responsive so that you can see it can also be used on small screens and it will navigate to the pages what they want. See, so this is the functionality of my website. And let's go to my code. This is my code, and this is my u.py file. Here, these are the links. Like you can see that whenever I'm clicking on brands or cards or something else, when I'm clicking on a button, it is navigating to the some other pages. So all these comes from here. So initially when I starting my web page, this is the root, home root. So whenever I will start my website, this root will be active and it will transform me to the home.html. As you can see in templates, there is a home.html, which is my home page. So these are the static files and these will be dynamic when I have used by passing with these links and everything. So finally, this is my implementation of my website. And thanks for watching.